noises.
Excuse you.
Squeeze the side.
You could also use it with your foot too, you know.
Is this supposed to be free foot?
I don't know, but you could. Put it down and try it.
No.
You don't want to? Don't squish too hard, you'll break it. Okay, we'll keep doing it with your hand then.